Here we will create a window application to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, division on two numbers. The numbers are accepted in text box and the result is displayed on label. So first we will add form FRM math operation and we will add controls on it. So here we have added two text boxes for accepting first number and second number, and we have added 4 buttons for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. We have named the first text box as txtf number, second text box is txtl number, and buttons for btn add, btn subtraction, btn multiplication and btn division. And we have added one label with name LBL display. When we click on this button, it will make appropriate operations on these two numbers and display on label. So first we click on this addition button. We will add these two text box value and display on label. So our label name is LBL display dot text equal to, we will first convert the values of text box to integer. So convert dot to int32 txtf number dot text plus convert dot to int32 txtl number dot text, and we will convert all this result to a text value. So we will give here two string. Then we will write code for subtraction. I will give here minus, then multiplication and division. To execute this in program.cs, we will call this form. So we will call here FRM math operation and we execute. I will give here 24, second number as 2, and if I click here plus, it will display 26. If I click on minus, it will display 22. If I click on multiplication, it will display 48, and if I click on division, it will display 12. We can add appropriate message along with the result. So we will add message here, addition equal to, and we concatenate it with plus sign. Then here we will write subtraction, then multiplication and division, and we execute again. I'll give the numbers 30 and 15, and if I click on plus, it will display addition equal to 45. If I click on minus, it will display subtraction equal to 15. Then multiplication, it will display multiplication equal to 450, and for division, it will display division equal to 2. So here we have added two text boxes to accept the numbers and 4 buttons for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and one label to display the result. We can display the result in message box also, or we can display the result on text box also. And when we click on this plus button, we have written a code addition equal to, we will add first number text box value and second number text box value, but the default value for text box is text, so we have converted to integer and then we have added here. Then for subtraction also, we have converted the text box value to integer and we have subtracted the value. For multiplication also, we have converted the text box value to integer and we multiplied these two values, and for division also, we have converted the text box values to integer. We have made division for these two text box values.